The Velcro strap that I placed on the side of the door right here, it was 3/4 of an inch. So now I'm going to take my Velcro strip. I have the sticky side and the Velcro part. I'm going to peel the back of the tape off, and then I'm going to stick it underneath the lip of this door frame. And I'm going to go all the way across. So I cut the 3/4 inch Velcro to the very edge of the screen door. The Velcro that I used was 1.5 inches wide. Make sure that you take your Velcro and you line it up exactly with the edge of the door and under the lip. And then you're going to press it under the lip until it sticks, and until it sticks to the Velcro. So I put the fuzzy side, the back of it, and I stuck it to the other side. And now I'm just going to make sure the broom sweep is in the downward position. So I just like to make sure that I just push it down to be sure that it sticks. You can see from the outside the Velcro strip, and you can see those little tiny holes. Well, that's just part of the Velcro, and those little gaps, it shouldn't let any insects in. There's really tiny holes on the Velcro. But what I'm going to do for extra measure, I'm going to put the 3/4 inch Velcro on the inside of the door. So you can see here I added the 3/4 inch Velcro, and it was with the fuzzy side on the outside so the other adhesive part can stick to the 1.5 inch, and I carried it all the way to the very edge. And that really does help a lot with those little tiny holes on the Velcro. There was just a little tiny strip of it, but I wanted to make sure that no insects could come in. So this really did help a lot. And just another suggestion, you should not have a problem, but if you do, if you have a problem with say if something did come off, just run some black Gorilla tape all the way across, and that's going to hold everything in place for you. But I never had a problem with my other trailer. I did this and it held up really good. So hopefully you'll never have to use the Gorilla tape. And as you can see, it took care of all of those little holes that I was looking at. So I'm quite happy with how the results came out. I decided to put the Gorilla tape on. I just thought it would be good to reinforce what I did, and so now I know that the Velcro will stay in place. You can only see the tape from the inside, and it blends in very well with the door. And as you can see, I don't have any gaps below, so this should definitely solve my insect problem. This is what it looks like from the outside. And I just wanted to mention that I found it much easier to do this job. It didn't take as long as if you do it from sitting outside on your steps. I hope this has helped you, and I hope you don't get those nasty little critters in your trailer. If you do try this project, I'd like to hear from you. I'd like to know how it worked out for you. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider to do so. And if you like this video, please hit like and share. Thank you so much for watching.